Hey, I got early access to Twitter Spaces. Yes, in this video, I'll share what I did to get the access to Twitter Spaces beta. It's not available for public yet, but it's coming very soon. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. Here I am on my Twitter. And first of all, let me show you what the Twitter Spaces look like. So when I click on this button, long press and hold, this is where you click to create new tweet. So when I long press and hold on this, look at this. So here is the new option, which is for Twitter Spaces. Twitter Spaces, by the way, it's kind of similar, or I should say it's exactly like Clubhouse. It's audio only feature inside Twitter. So when I click on this, look at this, introducing Spaces. I can start a space. I can invite up to 10 people. I can share my thoughts, emojis, send emojis. Be present. So it's the audio only feature. It's very similar to Clubhouse. You can have conversation with other people. You can do trainings. You can do conversations on different topics. You can join and share your knowledge. You can also learn from other people. It's a really, really cool feature that Twitter launched. Now, how did I get this access, early access? It's not launched to public yet. Well, a couple of days ago, well, actually, here are the steps that I followed. I just tweeted about the steps too. Here you go. So these are the steps that you need to do if you want early access to Twitter Spaces. The first one is I joined a space that was hosted by other people. So I joined those spaces, and these are kind of like different rooms, and then I participated as a listener and as a speaker. I think I joined 3 spaces or rooms, and then I spoke or I became a speaker in one of them. The other 2, I was a passive listener. And then I did that 2 days in a row. And then third day, when I logged into my Twitter, I saw that message that I have access to Spaces. That's it. Nothing complicated that I had to do. Now, I did make a video. Let me go back and bring my channel. Just a couple of days ago, just look at this, 2 days ago, I did a quick overview of Twitter Spaces, and I was hoping and wishing that I'd get access early, and guess what? I did. Now I have access to Twitter Spaces, and all I had to do was join a couple of spaces on my Twitter app, and then I got access. The other thing I did is I filled out this Google form, which Twitter Spaces, at Twitter Spaces, I believe they have a pinned tweet for this. And this is basically to request early access to Twitter Spaces. And all they want to make sure is you're the right person. They ask for your name, email, your Twitter handle, your location, device, and just the basic stuff. They want to make sure people want to use Twitter Spaces for good, productive reasons, right? So do that as well, and go to Twitter Spaces. They have a pinned tweet, and you can fill this out. So now that I have access, I'll definitely play with this, create some Twitter Spaces, and let you guys know how I like this, especially comparing this to Clubhouse. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.